This is the inside of the van. And oh my God, what happened there? Hello. Hello. So, fan installation. I keep making that mistake. Van versus fan. Fan installation. We bought the fan on Amazon. It's from Fantastic Fan. It's model 2250. Ta-da! There's our fan. So it comes with this flange piece that we're gonna eventually cut to fit. We started by climbing up on top of the van. What are you doing?
Getting ready to cut a hole in the roof of the van.
How does that make you feel?
I'm indifferent.
What?
No, I'm kind of nervous.
Measuring 14 by 14 inches by 14 inches by 14 inches, and we did it like 6 or 7 times. You can't take back cutting a hole in the roof of your van, so we measured like 1,000,000 times. We did have to get new blades for our jigsaw because just regular old blades are not going to cut through sheet metal. Even though the roof of the van is actually not that thick, it's about like 1/16 of an inch or something, but we couldn't do that with just a regular jigsaw, so we had to pre-drill a hole. Here it goes. Oh my God. Oh my God. We can't go back. We did it. And so we like kind of pre-drilled the first hole and moved back and forth, and then once you get the special blades in there, then you can start going. Use the T121GF3 if you're watching this and you want to do it yourself. Finally made the cuts. It was very exciting and a little bit nerve-wracking. After we made the cuts in the van roof, we played around poking our heads in and out of the van ceiling for a little while. That was kind of fun. Look what I got.
Actually, that's
Smile. I'm taking a video. Look, we made a hole. There's the van. Hey. So hot today. We needed to get some butyl tape, which is this thick black putty tape to go around the edge where we cut the hole. This stuff, crazy sticky.
Jesus Christ, this stuff is tacky.
That's what we want.
Really fucking sticky.
Because where we cut the hole was a little bit closer to the front of the van, there were some ridges that we had to work around. We're actually doing a couple layers of this butyl tape because we want everything to be flush, otherwise there'd be a gap. On this side we've got 2 layers of tape. So we're just gonna pretty much use all 50 feet of butyl tape to seal this gap so we don't have any leaking. On either side of those ridges we just put 3 layers of the putty butyl tape, and then we did a final layer on top, and then we set the fan down. So this is what the end product looks like with the raised ridge and the 3 layers of the butyl tape, and then like the 1 final layer at the top. We pre-drilled a bunch of holes in the van roof so that the screws would go in easier. Yeah, these are the screws that it came with, but we got our own screws. We ended up getting self-tapping screws, these ones. It was hot. It was really, really hot on the van roof. If you ever do this, bring like a mat. Don't wear shorts. I ended up getting lots of little metal shavings in my thighs and in my knees because I was wearing shorts. It was so hot.
What up?
We did the fan. Yeah, we got the screws in, the putty's done. We need to get a caulking gun because we thought we had one and we don't. The last step of this process is to put the marine adhesive sealant on there, and we're gonna go around the edges and then kind of where we've screwed in the screws as well. So we have to do that, and then it will be officially done. But I think it's gonna be a lot cooler in there because you can't tell, my face is really red. It's really, really hot today. And this is burning hot. This is 3mm marine adhesive sealant, fast cure, 4000 UV. We got this at West Marine. It's pretty expensive, but the deck hardware, it's black. It's gonna match the butyl tape that we got. Basically, we're just using our fingers to smoosh the caulking in around the edges of the fan. And we used masking tape, so the line is all nice. Ta-da! Finished product. We put the caulking around, and hopefully it won't leak. It wasn't that hard. It was fun to do, and now we have a nice little skylight slash fan on our roof. So it rained last night, and we're in the van, And da-da-da, it's still there. And as far as I can tell, there's nothing on the floor, no water. I kind of went up here and tried to look at the seams, and everything feels dry to me. So I'm gonna assume, you can see the droplets of water on the back. I'm gonna assume that it totally freaking worked, which is really exciting. Next up for us is the battery / solar system. So we're gonna be getting a bunch of new batteries, a bunch of wiring, gotta figure out what lighting we need, and then we're gonna install the solar panel and basically just start doing all the electrical work on the van, which is the most expensive step other than purchasing the van. So, super fun. See you guys next time.